Hey everyone, welcome back to Positive Living, your go-to spot for health and wellness tips. Today we're tackling a problem that many people struggle with, snoring. If you or someone you love snores, you know how disruptive it can be. But don't worry, I've got 5 simple and natural home remedies to help reduce or even stop snoring. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First up, change your sleep position. Sleeping on your back can cause snoring. Try sleeping on your side instead. Using a humidifier adds moisture to the air, soothing your throat and airways. Propping up your head with an extra pillow can help open your airways and reduce snoring. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can make snoring worse. Finally, try some natural remedies like honey. It can help reduce swelling in the throat. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Sleep well and we'll see you next time. Stay healthy, stay happy.